Natasha. Welcome to my channel called Chai and Mommy. Here you'll see a variety of different things. Today is going to be like day one of my kitchen rental. So I have an island, some kitchen cabinets that turned into an island. We're going to be working on the back of that. I have an idea for it. So stay tuned and let's jump into this. Alright guys, so this is the cabinets I bought. I'm gonna try to work with what I have. I have some extra installation. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with that. An X-Acto knife, some scissors just in case, some spray adhesive, and most importantly, this right here, self adhesive wall tiles. Now I got these from the dollar store. So you can get yours dollar store online, but hey, you can't beat it. So let's jump into this. The first thing I want to do is take this. Let's get some of these. These are just some. Sorry about the lighting, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this so that it can lay flat right here, because other than that, I have a big indent and I want it to be all flush. So let me think. I'm thinking about doing it like that. Just stick that in there like that. I'm not a professional, guys. I'm just working with what I got. I can do the spray adhesive because we're going to take this, I'm going to stick those on here like this. So you want it as flat as possible. Alright, give me a second. I go find this. Actually, was the little packs from the dollar store. I used, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's just say 19, just in case you mess up. Just in case. That's just like 1 or 2, so just in case you mess up. But other than that, this project was really, really simple. So you don't have to have any experience to do this. And I'll see you on my next video.